Inflate a 260 balloon and tie a knot. Make a 3-finger loop twist. Make a total of 4 loop twists like this. Now let's make the flower center. Inflate the white 260 balloon with just a little air. Make a total of 7 or 8 identical 4-petal flowers. First, make a double ear twist. Twist a 3-finger single bubble. Wrap it around the 4-petal flower. Use the same method to wrap all the 4-petal flowers. After wrapping all the 4-petal flowers, twist another 3-finger single bubble. Wrap it together with the initial double ear twist. The balloon wreath is all done.